Spring is a time when fresh greens taste the best. February and March is still early spring and cold, so it's traditional to eat some greens that are classified as warm according to traditional Chinese medicine. Chinese chive is perfect for this season. Choose the one with fatter leaves will be more tasty. And pair with some walnuts and it will make it more nutritious. It's really easy to cook this dish, and you will just need some oil and salt. Optionally, you can add some sugar. First, wash the chive and drain the water, then cut into short sections. Quickly rinse the walnuts as well, and paper towel it dry. Turn the heat to medium-low and add about half teaspoon of oil and the walnuts. Stir fry for about 2-3 minutes until it turns to golden brown, then put the walnuts aside. Then turn the heat to high and add another half teaspoon of oil. Then stir fry the Chinese chive for 1 to 2 minutes. Then adding a pinch of salt. Then adding the walnuts and a pinch of sugar. Then gently mix them and you are all done. If you do have some toasted sesame seeds, you can sprinkle them on top of it as well, and it will make it even better. So that's it. It's a very healthy and a very easy to make dish, and I hope you will enjoy it.